Alright, so if you need to ask me any question, go to zone.io and log in with your free zone.io account. I'm going to log in with the student account I created here and hit login. Once in, you will see this. You can complete your profile or just go to courses. Here, you will see the steps to ask me a question. So I prefer a video question because that would save me a ton of time. So instead of reading text and trying to understand how I can help you, if you can explain me with a video, that would be awesome. And you can send me a link to your YouTube video link or Google Drive or Dropbox or anything that you use that would help me to help you faster. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the first step, you would need to install this Ask Jimmy app to ask me a question. Why? So that I will be able to log in to your Salesforce org that you are having a problem with and help you on that org. I can see what's going on and I can help you better. So that's the purpose. And to do that, please install this first. So for example, you are on a trailhead and you need a help with a challenge or any questions that having you a lot of time to figure out and you're just stuck. So basically, install this Ask Jimmy app on your org that you are working with. So whatever org that is, okay? So just launch the org and you would need to know the password to your org, okay? So if this is my username, if I launch that, basically you just need to know the password to this org, and then you need to install the Ask Jimmy app on the org that you are having challenges with. So I can help you on this org, okay? So to do that, go to your org where you need help with, step 1, and then install the Ask Jimmy app. So click on this package link, click on there. So it asks you to log in, right? So I need you to log into the org or the Trailhead org or any org, even if it's a real production org or a sandbox org or a Trailhead org, anything. Log in with your username, which is this one for my Trailhead org. Okay, so once you are logged in, you can install for all users or just admin only. If you are managing a production org and you are the admin, you might want to install just admin only. If you are on a Trailhead org, it doesn't matter because it's just you. You just have one user, right? So I'm just going to install for admins only for this and acknowledge because this is not a listed app exchange. So you will have this warning. So click install. Once that's done, you can start asking me questions. So this will just take a few seconds to complete. All right, installation complete. So once you're done, hit the done button there. Now you would have a new app that is called Ask Jimmy. So if you click on the sandwich icon here and go to Ask Jimmy, there is an app and also an item. Click on the app here. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. It's just basically a simple Visualforce page here that allows you to ask me anything you want to ask about Salesforce. So give me your email address, your name, what is it about, and a video URL. I would highly prefer if you give me a video link. Do a screen recording of your problem. Say, hey Jimmy, I'm stuck here. I can't go past this challenge because blah blah blah. Explain the whole thing. And if you are already a production admin org, meaning you already work for a real organization on a Salesforce platform, you can also ask me about your challenges. Okay, but before you ask me the question, I need you to grant the Zone.io support so that I can log into your org and see as you see what is going on and help you way more efficiently, and not trying to guess stuff, and that would cause me and you going back and forth so many times, wasting each other's time. So grant me the login access. I will take a look at your issue, and after watching your video I would be able to help you. So how can you grant a login access? If you follow my admin trails before, you would know. So to do that, go to click here on your icon here, and then click on settings. Okay, so click on your icon and settings, and then go to grant account login access. Okay, so you have Zone.io support here for Ask Jimmy app. So give me an access. I don't know how long. It would be better if you give me a longer access, because if I go to your question a few days from now and I was busy, and you give me just 1 day and I open your question 3 days later, then I don't have access to your org. I'm just going to skip your question most likely, because I can't help you if I can see what you're seeing. Okay, so give me a month or however you want, especially if it's just a trailhead org. It's just a playground. Basically, give me a month if it's a playground. If it's a production org, you would have to be mindful of how many days you would give me. Or yeah, just give me access so I can see what your problem is. Give me 1 month access. Save. So this would give me access to log in to your org. Now, if you go back to Ask Jimmy and you give me I am having a challenge on trailhead blah blah blah, right? And then you've posted a video, and then whatever, this is your link. Or you can also post me your, if you want to share Dropbox video file, if you want to share Google Drive link, whatever link you want to share, just share it. Even Amazon file, whatever. And describe your question. But if you have a video, you don't have to re-describe it again. But if you don't have any way of recording a video, you can still type your question here. But I will prioritize questions that have video links, okay? Because that would help me to help you faster, because I can determine your problem easier. And then you have to check this box, because I need you to allow the login access. Then you ask Jimmy. So after you ask Jimmy, you will be directed to this page here. This is basically a fundraiser for our certification fund. You can read more here. So don't be alarmed if you see what is going on here. This is just a way for you to sow your seed. If you have already worked for an organization and you have salaries and you want to sow to other people's life, you can do so here. So basically, after you've done that, you will receive an email like this, right? A case is opened, and you will have this. And on my end, I will see your case on my Salesforce org over here, right? So I can see your subject, I can see your video link, I can watch your video, and I can log in to your org. How do I do that? Yeah, I can log in from the subscribers here. From the subscribers, I can see your org, and I can log into your org to help you better. So I think this is the org that I've granted login access. So I can log into the org by clicking the login here. See, this is the username, Resourceful Moose, right? Remember? So I can log in by clicking on that, and then I'm just going to go close here. And I'm logged into that org, right? And now I can help you better. So I can see what is your problem and I can help you from here. I can even switch to a lightning experience from there. And yeah, I can help you out. See, there's the Ask Jimmy app again. All right, so I hope you understand the whole steps, which is really simple. And this would let me help you faster and efficient. And please only ask me questions that's really making you struggling, okay? That you're really stuck. So I can't answer hundreds upon hundreds of questions on a regular basis. So I'm going to only pick ones that really are relevant, that I see that you're really stuck on something, then I can help you on that. Thanks. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Bada bing, bada boom.